Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. In the previous video, we installed Ollama on our Moodle server and downloaded the Llama 3.2 3B AI model. In this video, we are going to connect Ollama with Moodle 5.2 and configure Moodle to use our local AI model. Let's get started. Go to Site Administration, scroll down to the Security section and click HTTP Security. By default, Moodle blocks requests to localhost for security reasons. Since Ollama is running on the same server as Moodle, we need to allow Moodle to communicate with it. Find the curl blocked hosts list. Here remove 127.0.0.0/8 and localhost. Next, find the curl allowed ports field. Add 11434. Port 11434 is the default port used by the Ollama server. Once you have made these changes, scroll down and click Save Changes. Now let's configure Moodle to use Ollama as our AI provider. Go back to Site Administration. Under General, select AI Providers. Click Create a new provider instance. From the AI Provider plugin drop-down, select Ollama API Provider. Enter a name for your provider. For example, I'll call it Local Ollama. For this tutorial, we'll leave the other settings at their default values. Now click Create Instance. The Ollama provider has now been created. Make sure the provider is enabled by turning the toggle on. Next, open the provider settings. Here, you will see several AI actions that Moodle can use. Each action can be configured to use a different AI model. For this tutorial, we'll configure the actions to use the model we downloaded earlier, Llama 3.2 3B. Let's start with Generate Text. You can open each AI action in a separate browser tab. This makes it easier to configure them one by one. Open Settings of Generate Text. You'll notice that the default model is Llama 3.3. That's not the model we downloaded. So, from the model drop-down, select Custom. Then enter Llama 3.2 3B in the Custom Model Name field. Once you have entered the model name, click Save Changes. Now repeat the same process for the other AI actions. Continue until all the AI actions you want to use are configured with our local Ollama model. Once that's finished, let's configure where these AI features will appear in Moodle. Go back to Site Administration. Under AI, click AI Placements. AI placements control where Moodle's AI features are available. For this tutorial, we'll enable Course Assistance placement and Text Editor placements. Enable both of these placements. Our Moodle AI configuration is now complete. So let's test it. Open one of your courses. Turn Edit Mode on. Now add a new page resource. Enter a name for the page. Then scroll down to the Page Content Editor. You should now see a new AI Generate Text button next to the H5P button. Click the AI Generate Text button. An AI window will open. On the left side, enter your prompt. For example, you can ask Moodle to generate a short introduction about a topic. Then click Generate Text. Moodle will send the prompt to our Ollama server. Ollama will process the request using the Llama 3.2 3B model and send the response back to Moodle. Because we are running the model locally, the response time will depend on the hardware of your Moodle server and the size of the AI model. Once the response is generated, review the content. If you're happy with the result, click Insert. The generated text will now be added to the page content. Finally, click Save and Display. And there we go. Our AI-generated content is now part of the Moodle page. Moodle also provides some additional AI features. Click the AI features drop-down. Here you can select Summarize to generate a summary of the page content. You can also select Explain to generate an explanation of the content. These features are also processed by the Ollama model running on our local server. And that's it. In this tutorial, we connected Moodle 5.2 with Ollama, configured Moodle to use our local Llama 3.2 3B model, enabled AI placements, and tested AI-generated content inside a Moodle page resource. We now have a Moodle using a local AI model instead of relying on an external AI service for these features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.